Recently, someone inquired how you can count the number of this kind of numeric value on your raw data. Let me explain here. You can see there's a number buried between special characters and an alphabet here. So he wants to be able to count. So this is how I would do it. I'll create a column called property column. This is just temporary column. It's not part of the data set. And what property column does is that it's just allows you to sift out only those numeric value and present it here so you can easily count it. So the formula to get only the numbers is this. Once that's done, I'm going to hit enter. Right now it looks like nothing much. If I apply to the rest of the row, it looks like it actually sift out all the special characters and kept the integrity of the number. Let me break down this formula for you here. The sequence and the length function here, I'm going to copy on a clipboard. I'm just going to put it down here. Equal sequence. It just creates an array of numbers in sequence here. Let's say if you have more than more than 5. Let's say if I copy and paste it here, you can see that it creates more array size. So basically, it creates an array for you. And then the second set, there's this sequence is encapsulated under a mid function plus 0. If you were to take this and you paste it in here, what mid function does is that basically converts, it extracts the 4, 5, each of this element into a string and converts that to a number, because this plus 0 is the part that converts that into a number here. And then the last portion here, or rather towards the end here, if error here, I'm gonna dissect this guy all the way up to here. And if I copy here, so if error, what it does is that basically it looks for any occurrence of error when you convert the string to a numeric value. Of course, if you have alphabet or special character, it will throw an error. Let's say if I were to put a special character, you can see towards the end there's 3 errors, or rather 3 non-numeric value here. Let me choose something else here, maybe this one here, and put it in here. You can see that the 4-4, every dash is actually denoted by value of an error here. So the if error actually traps for error here, and then if there's an error, it simply returns a blank statement, or rather a blank character. So the next one is concatenate. Concatenate basically converts, or rather merges, all this number into a single string. Let me show you how it does. Equal, like that, and you hit enter. You can see it combines these numbers into one big string. Now right now it's purely string, it's not a number. So let's, just as a test, if I were to move this and put it down here, you can see that it truncates, or rather leaves a blank value to non-numeric value, and then only preserve the numeric value, and concatenate combines them together. And last but not least, of course, the value converts it into a numeric value. If I do equal here value, you can see that this is actually aligned to the left, indicating that it's a string, and this is aligned to the right, indicating it's a numeric value. And that's how it works essentially in a nutshell. And after that, you have shifted out all your numbers into purely a numeric value. From here, it's pretty straightforward. You're gonna use a function called COUNTIF from this prep column here, and I'm going to press F4 to make everything fixed so I can apply to the rest of the rows on my search table there, and comma, and basically search for the numeric number that's under this formula here, close parenthesis, and hit enter. You can see that there's only 0 occurrence of this because I've replaced this multiple times. If I would change it to 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1 will come up here. Now apply the same formula to the rest of the row like this. You can see it actually counts the occurrence of this number that's 7 times that.